What if I told you one of the oldest Christian inscriptions ever discovered proves that early believers worshiped Jesus as God, a century before Constantine? This is the Megiddo Mosaic dating back to 230 AD, a hidden Christian art piece found beneath a prison in Israel.
And what does it say? The God-loving Akeptous has offered the table to God Jesus Christ as a memorial. Not just Jesus, not just Christ, but God Jesus Christ.
This shatters the claim that Jesus' divinity was a later invention. Some say Jesus was only seen as a teacher at first, but this proves otherwise. These Christians weren't debating Jesus' divinity. They were risking their lives to worship him. And here's the kicker. One of the inscriptions mentions a Roman centurion who helped fund the church, meaning that Christianity was already spreading through the Roman military. This wasn't just a belief. It was a conviction powerful enough to endure persecution. The first Christians knew exactly who Jesus was, and if they were willing to proclaim it at the risk of death, what does that mean for us today?
If this discovery amazes you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Does this change how you see early Christianity?
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.